Welcome to the CodeCrafters Labs Web Development Mentoring Program. We are delighted to inform you that you have been accepted into the CCL Web Development Mentoring Program. We extend our warmest and most sincere welcome and look forward to embarking on this exciting journey with you. Personally, I am very happy to have all of you guys aboard. Let's talk about some of the important facts that we need to handle during all this mentoring program. We're excited to offer you a free scholarship to our mentoring program designed to help you grow as a web developer. To succeed, please follow all guidelines, complete tasks, and attend meetings. Failure to meet these requirements may lead to the termination of your scholarship. At CodeCrafters Labs, our voluntary support empowers collaborators to learn at their own pace. You can schedule your studies flexibly while ensuring weekly progress. Your web development path in Notion will serve as a structured, self-paced roadmap with guidance from our mentoring leads. We'll cover these topics in detail as well as the links during our first meeting this week. Our team is ready to help with any tool, software, or account setup. Details are available in our Slack workspace. You'll meet your mentoring manager this Friday for next steps, and we've scheduled a meeting with our core team during your first week to introduce you to our agency operations and rules. Feel free to email or call me with any questions. I'm happy to help. We look forward to working with you and seeing your success. One of the fundamental principles we emphasize and are meticulous about from the very beginning of the mentorship is absolute respect within our community. At CodeCrafters Labs, jokes of any kind are not tolerated among mentees or our mentoring program team. We are all professionals, and we strive to maintain a healthy, inclusive, and prejudice-free work environment. Therefore, we avoid any inappropriate remarks, as well as derogatory sarcasm, political or religious references, and comments related to gender identity. Additionally, any act of racism, xenophobia, or expression of rejection toward people from other countries is strictly prohibited. Violating these rules will result in the immediate termination of the scholarship program. We appreciate your commitment and respect. Let's work together to maintain a positive, open, and prejudice-free environment. Thank you all very much. Let's kick off your mentoring journey. Soon, you'll receive a Notion link with essential steps, tasks, and forms to complete before we begin. Follow this guide closely. It's your gateway to an exciting adventure in JavaScript, front-end and back-end, Git, version control, unit testing, GraphQL, Redis, and API development. You'll also explore emerging tech stacks, ensuring you're up to date with cutting-edge tools. Plus, we'll cover job hunting, LinkedIn optimization, resume crafting, and inspiring success stories. Expect workshops on Golang, Nest.js, Python, and more. Well, now that we have this clear, get ready to level up, shall we?